In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and add a director in VirtualMetric DataStream. VirtualMetric Director is a tool designed for listening on various data sources, extracting and transforming them, and routing them to destinations. Its architecture is built to handle enterprise-scale data volumes at high levels of performance and reliability. There are two ways to add a new director, via the link at the bottom on the home page in the Fleet Management section, or via the hamburger menu at the upper left corner of the screen. We will use this way. In the screen that opens, a list of installed directors is showed. You can filter the list to only show enabled of disabled directors. At the right upper corner, I will click on the Create Director button to add a new one to the system. At the first tab, I will give the new director a name and select the modes. There are two options, Managed and Self-Managed. With the Managed mode, configuration is applied automatically. Updates are delivered to your director without any action required. With the Self-Managed mode, configuration is maintained manually. You need to download and apply the config file whenever the director configuration changes. We will use the Managed mode. Now let's go to the next step. At the second tab, you can control additional access management capabilities. For this tutorial, we won't use them. Let's go to the next step. There are two options, a PowerShell script or a Bash script. I will copy the PowerShell command. I will use my own laptop where we are going to install the director. At my laptop, I already have a PowerShell window open. I simply need to paste the copied script and run it. As you could see, the installation took very little time. Let's go back to the DataStream user interface and click on the button Verify Connection. This can take a couple of seconds. We have verified the newly added director, and we see that is connected. Click Complete Setup. As you can see in the list of directors, the new director is listed as enabled and connected. That's it for now. I hope you got a clear overview of how to add a new director to VirtualMetric DataStream. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.